Hello and welcome to CENTEGIX. At CENTEGIX, we innovate safety solutions to empower and protect people every day. The badge was selected by your employer because they are invested in your safety and your peace of mind. Whether a minor emergency or a threat to the entire workplace, with your Crisis Alert badge, you have the ability to request help anywhere at any time. You can be in places such as a stairwell, the cafeteria, or the parking lot. Your Crisis Alert badge allows you to notify responders, telling them who and where you are, enabling them to quickly provide assistance. Remember, as you arrive to work each day, you wear this badge so that you can confidently call for help in any situation, knowing help will come immediately.
The Crisis Alert badge can be used to activate two types of alerts. A staff alert is for everyday incidents, such as medical emergencies or student altercations.
A campus-wide alert is for extreme emergencies that threaten an entire campus. Examples could be a visible weapon or active shooter.
To activate a staff alert, firmly press the button on the badge 3 times in a quick succession. I need help. You will hear a click after each push. After the 3rd push, the button will vibrate. The responders at your location will receive your notification that you need help and where you were located.
To activate a campus-wide alert, repeatedly push the button on the Crisis Alert badge until the alert is activated. Push firmly and quickly through the vibrations. You will know a campus-wide alert has been activated as strobes will begin to flash. Staff computers will receive a desktop takeover, and if integrated, a pre-recorded intercom message will play.
Here are some common questions asked about the badge. If you lose your badge, please notify your badge manager immediately. It can be deactivated with the click of a button. You don't want someone getting a hold of your lost badge and activating an alert. The batteries in the badges last 2 to 3 years. Badge managers will be monitoring the health of badges. Only when you press the button on a badge to activate an alert is your location shared. Batteries would not last 2 to 3 years if locations were constantly being shared. Do not write on your badge. Badges can be reissued to another employee. Badges are water-resistant but not waterproof. According to the American Heart Association, Bluetooth and other wireless technologies pose little to no risk to the performance of ICDs and pacemakers. The Crisis Alert badge uses a transmitter comparable in power to a Bluetooth headset or wireless speaker.
Here are some best practices regarding your Crisis Alert badge. Wear your badge on your body above the waist, either on a lanyard or clipped to your shirt. Putting your staff ID in front of your Crisis Alert badge with the button in the middle allows quick access of the button in an emergency and protects the button against any inadvertent presses. Do not leave it unattended or accessible to students. Do not hang the badge with other items, such as keys, on the lanyard with your badge. Do not leave it in a very hot or cold car. Treat it like you would your cell phone. The badge will work inside buildings and outside on playgrounds and in parking lots at every property in your organization. Remember to wear the badge at all times while you are at work. The beauty of the Crisis Alert solution is that with your badge, you have the ability to request help anywhere at any time.